Hi, my name is Taylor Robertson. I'm a product manager for our collaborative robots Cooper app. Today, I'm going to show you how to teach a program with a dual station setup. To start, I'm going to go File, New Program. Here is going to show me a list of available external axes to include in my program. In my program today, I'm going to be utilizing both the rail as well as a positioner. So I'm going to go ahead and additionally check off the positioner. I can then click Create, and that will load in a new program for me. At the top, I'll be able to see which devices are active in my program. I'm going to go ahead and create my start position. As you can see, this position is not only up and clear of my parts on the table, but it's also going to be a position where I would like to avoid my weld screen, creating the dual sides to my table. So ensuring that the Cobot's axes are not going to hit the screen as it passes or going over top. Once I've created this position, I can click Start Here. I can then go ahead and start creating a program for the welds on my table. Press the blue button to unlock the robot, and now I can come in and begin teaching my program. Green button pressed to record my point, and then I can continue on making the additional points along my weld. Once I have finished teaching the points in my program for my weld, I'm going to move my Cobot up and out of the way of the part. Once it is out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and select More Choices and select Add Move to Start. This is that safe point that we created at the start of our program that will clear the Cobot around the weld screen. Once I have added that point to my program, I can select it and click Go to Start Point. Now, from this known location, I can continue on with my program. I'm going to go ahead and move the Cobot over to the other side of my dual zone setup. To do this, I'm going to click Devices, and I'm going to move the Cobot along the rail by moving the slider. Once my Cobot is on the other side of my station, I can go ahead and make a selection, closing my jog window, and clicking Add Here. Now, for my rotary, I'm going to add a circular weld, and I can go ahead and teach my program around my part. For instructions on how to do so, please see the tutorial on how to create a program with a positioner. I'm going to go ahead and create that program now. Once I have created my program with my positioner, again, I'm going to go back to More Choices and add that same start point so I have a clearance point back to the initial side of my dual station. Then I can click Done and my program is complete. From here, we're going to click the green button and go ahead and run our program. And that is how you teach a program for a dual station setup.